Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So I have really bad allergies to pollen and of course like dust and things, and have always not only taken allergy medicine, during the high peak seasons, but also usually have an air purifier of some sort in the room or office, just kind of keep that air clean because a lot of times you're changing it so often. But I wanted to check out a new air purifier by the brand PARTU, and this is model BS08. It's it's not huge. The whole box here is probably about 18 inches tall, maybe, but it does say it has like colorful night lights and will apparently get about 99.9% of all the different particles. It says effective particle removal rate of 99.9%. That's pretty good, and I would say pretty on par with the other ones that are out there too. So not only do they have colorful night lights, they have a very low noise ratio level, and it says it's about negative or less than 30 decibels. So that should be relatively quiet when it's running, as well as 3 different gear wind speeds. So you can always change the different wind speeds for it. And the coverage area is about 12 meters square. So that's approximately about what, 130, 140 square feet or so. So maybe like a small office space or a smaller bedroom, this should be able to handle it. So let's go ahead and actually take a look and see what's in the box of the PARTU BS08 air purifier. So the box comes with this pretty nice design. Shows you some of the features right here on the front. Also talks about 3-speed adjustment, which I mentioned before, and it tells you kind of where you could use it. Child's room, meeting room. Meeting room, depending on what it is, it may be a little bit too small for that. But like I said before, probably about 130 to 140 square feet or so. And then if we go ahead, just open this up. Let's take a look and see what's inside the box here. Alright, first we have our manual and getting started guide. Our user manual talks about everything that you need to do as far as probably the filter, all that type of fun stuff, how you got to clean it or change it. Next, some of my favorite, some foam. Here's the actual unit here in the box. So there's the actual unit right there. Pretty cool looking. So gonna pull that right off there. We've got it all plugged in, ready to go here. All right, so let's gonna turn it on. We got different light modes. Let's see, where's it illuminate from? Okay. All right, off. We got our fan speeds that we can do. So maybe it does change here. Oh, there's blue. Pretty cool. So that would be pretty nice at night. That's what's in the box of the BS08 PARTU air purifier. So I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Check back for that review video of this product. And of course, click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. And we'll see you soon.